So let's take a peek. Just take the foil off. Look at that, y'all. OMG. Yummy. Hi you all, welcome back to CHELL'S Kitchen, back at you with another great video. I want to thank you all so much for watching today. If you haven't yet, make sure you like and subscribe. Today you all, we will be making chicken enchiladas. That sounds yummy, don't it? I know. We're going to do it CHELL'S way. That means it's going to be easy, simple, straight to the point. So let's get to it, y'all. We're making chicken enchiladas. Okay you all, so what all you would need to make your chicken enchiladas. Here, I already did my chicken breast, y'all. This is just 2 chicken breasts that I put in the oven. Like when you all watched my chicken pot pie video, I did my chicken exactly like that. I put it in the shallow pan. I actually used the same skillet. Put it in the skillet with a little bit of water, about 2 tablespoons of butter. You put the butter in there so your chicken could be, you know, moist and tender. Put a little seasoning salt, a little bit of pepper, onion powder, and I let it bake at 350 for about an hour, hour and a half. And when it came out, I just got my fork and stabbed it. So this is just 2 chicken breasts, y'all. Already stabbed and lightly seasoned. Alright, so that's your chicken breast. You will also need some tortillas. I just picked up these at my local grocery store. It really don't matter what brand. But you do want to get the medium size. And they also have some that's bigger than this. You don't want the real big ones. And you don't want the real small ones. You want the medium ones like this. Right here, I have my Mexican rice. So delicious. If you haven't tried this, I know you all see these at your local grocery store or at Walmart, and you just walk right past them. Y'all, these are great to add to any dish, and they're only $1.25 a pack. You can't beat that. We also have sour cream. We have our cheddar cheese here. And last but not least, we have our enchilada sauce. I got 2 of them. I'd rather be safe than sorry. I'd rather have too much than not enough. So, yeah. Alright, y'all. So, let's get to it. So, what I'm going to start off by doing, I have some extra cheese that I'm going to use too, y'all. Waste not, want not. So, what I'm going to start off doing, y'all, is opening up these cans of enchilada sauce. I also, while I'm doing this, you all, I have my oven set at 350. So, my oven is preheating as we're doing it. So, go ahead. And have your oven on while you're preparing it. So when it's time to put them in the oven, your oven will be good and hot and ready to melt that cheese. Alright, y'all. So I have my enchilada sauce open. So what we're going to do is we're going to add about a cup of cheese to our shredded chicken. I'm just going to eyeball it. We're going to use all of it, y'all. Get it. So that was about a little over a cup of cheese. We're going to add some enchilada sauce to the mix. And then we're going to give it a stir. It looks good already, y'all. Look at that. Got your enchilada sauce in there. Got your cheese. Yummy. Okay. So now that I have that mixed up, I'm going to grab me a plate so we can start plating. If I can get a plate. We got like 10 million plates, y'all. Alright, so we're going to open up our tortillas, y'all. And the first thing we're going to do... Oh, and another thing you will need, y'all, I'm sorry. You will need a baking dish to actually put the enchiladas in once you're done. I don't know what size this is. Hold on, let me see if it tells me, y'all. This is a 10 by 13, a 4-quart. This is a 10 by 13, but you don't have to use this, y'all. You can use whatever you want. You can use a skillet. You can use whatever you want. A pan, whatever you got on hand, and whatever you want to put your enchiladas in. That's what you can do. So what you want to do, y'all, is get some enchilada sauce, and you want to lightly do the bottom of your pan here. Okay, y'all. So as y'all can see here, I got my pan. And I just put enchilada sauce at the bottom. You just want a little enchilada sauce coating the bottom of your pan. You see that? Alright, so now that we have that, we're going to go ahead and start doing our enchiladas. Just get your tortilla. You're going to spoon in your mixture. This is our chicken enchilada sauce and cheddar cheese. Just like that. And what you want to do is just roll it. Just like that. And then add it to the pan. See? Easy, y'all. Told y'all. Quick, simple, and easy. I ain't gonna throw nothing too hard at y'all. That's the purpose for my channel, for quick, simple, quick recipes that people can make, feel confident making. Alright, y'all. So we just gonna spoon it in. We're gonna do this all the way until we're done. Just roll them up just like that. Easy, ain't it, y'all? I see that? You can make enchiladas for your whole family. It's not as hard as it looks, and it's not as hard as you think. A lot of times, y'all, we overthink things. We overthink things. And if we just stop thinking, I know it sounds crazy, just stop overthinking things, you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Mind over matter. Alright, y'all, almost done here. My family love these, y'all. The kids love them. Your woman will love them. Your husband will love them. Your mistress will love them. The side piece will love them. No, I'm just playing, y'all. Alright, just want to roll them up. We got room for one more, maybe two more, which is perfect because my mix is about gone. So I think I did that perfectly. Yeah, that was just 2 chicken breasts. And I'm feeding a family of 5, and I only use 2 chicken breasts. So you do the math. We're just gonna make this the last one, y'all. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, I have them all in my pan. Looks like I made 7, which that is perfect. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, y'all, you take the remainder of your enchilada sauce and you want to pour it on top. Just pour it on top, just like that. The more sauce, the better, y'all. If you don't have a lot of sauce, they will dry out. They will be dry and ugh. So if you got a lot of sauce, they will be saucy, juicy, cheesy. Y'all see how I covered my tortillas? That's how you want it to look. Like that, y'all. Like the how our Mexicans do it. That looks authentic. All that sauce on there. Alright, y'all. So now that we did that, what we're going to do now is go down with our cheddar cheese. And you just want to take big handfuls and just put it all on there. The more cheese, the better. And y'all can use whatever cheese you want. You can use whatever kind of cheese you like. I just grabbed some cheddar cheese, y'all. You want it to be even. So I'm just evening it out now. Look at that, y'all. Don't that look amazing? This looks so good. And it ain't even went in the oven yet. Look at that. Alright, y'all. So last but not least, what we're going to do is get our foil. You want to place the foil on top so that the foil will lock in all the moisture and it'll go through and heat your chicken up and it'll melt your cheese for you. Get your sauce hot. And voila. Put your foil on there like that. And we're going to put this in the oven, y'all. I got my oven set at 350. We're going to put this in the oven for about 25-30 minutes. We'll be right back. Hello, you guys. If you're liking the content and you haven't yet, make sure that you pound that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, exactly what are you doing? Go subscribe. Okay, y'all. So we have taken the enchiladas out of the oven. I haven't opened it yet. I saved that for you all, so we can open it together. So let's take a peek. Just take the foil off. Look at that, y'all. OMG. Yummy. See it bubbling and oozing all out there, y'all? See that? Yummy. This is how your enchiladas should look. It looks so delicious. Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, we are all done. I have plated it. Don't this look amazing? OMG. I cannot wait to dig in. Look at that. This is restaurant quality food right here, y'all. Say you wouldn't be happy if you went to a restaurant and ordered some enchiladas and this came out. Just tell me right now in the comments you would not be happy. I will be happy. I'll be ready to kiss my waiter. Like, thank you so much for bringing me this food because I'm about to tear it up. But yeah, this is the finished product, you all. Quick, easy, simple recipes. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I wanted you all to know that I will be dropping weekly videos. I know for sure on Fridays I will be dropping videos. I'm going to try to drop them throughout another day throughout the week besides Friday. But we really haven't, you know, got that down yet exactly which day. But I know for sure on Fridays I will be dropping. So please stay tuned. Especially on Fridays, because that's when most of my videos come out on Fridays, y'all. So please stay tuned. Again, I want to thank you all so much for watching. Again, if you have not liked and subscribed, make sure you do so. If you have any questions or any great ideas you would like for me to cook, please comment below, and I'll be more than happy to do so. Again, thank you so much, and have a wonderful night, y'all.